Today, you are going to learn English through a real life situation. Imagine you are at home. You look in the mirror and suddenly you realize your hair is too long. Someone tells you it is time for a haircut. In this video, you will learn how to speak English at the barbershop. You will hear a natural conversation between a customer and a barber. The sentences are simple, the speech is slow, and everything is easy to understand. Just listen carefully, repeat the phrases, and enjoy the story. Let's go to the barber shop.
Really, I didn't notice it that much because I was busy and didn't pay attention to how I look.
Yes, I can see that, but now it's very noticeable, and I think it's time for a proper haircut.
I was actually thinking about it, but I kept delaying it because I didn't want to spend time at the barber.
Well, now you really don't have a choice because it's getting too long, and it doesn't look neat anymore.
Okay, I understand what you mean, but I don't even know what style I want.
That's fine. The barber can help you choose something simple and clean.
I hope so, because I don't want anything complicated or too short.
Don't worry, just explain what you want, and they will understand you.
Alright, I think I will go today and finally fix this situation.
Good decision, because you will feel much better after a haircut.
I already feel more confident just thinking about it.
That's exactly why you should go.
Hello. Welcome to the barber shop. Please come in and have a seat.
Hello, thank you. I really needed a haircut because my hair has become too long and messy.
Yes, I can see that. But don't worry. We can fix everything and give you a clean, fresh look.
That sounds great because I want something simple and neat, but not too short.
Of course, we will take our time and make sure you are comfortable with the result.
I appreciate that because I am not very good at explaining what I want.
That's completely fine. I will ask you a few questions so we can understand your style better.
Okay, that would really help me feel more confident.
Please sit here and relax, and we will start in a moment.
Thank you, I already feel better just being here.
So before we start, I would like to understand exactly what kind of haircut you want, so that you feel comfortable with the result.
Yes, of course, because I don't want anything too short, but at the same time, I want to look clean and more organized than I do now.
That makes sense, because right now your hair is quite long, and we need to shape it properly.
Yes, I agree, but I am a little worried that it might become too short if we cut too much.
Don't worry, I will only cut a small amount first, and then we can adjust step by step.
That sounds like a good plan, because I prefer to go slowly instead of making a big change immediately.
Exactly. It is always better to start with a light trim, and then decide if you want more.
I think I want the sides to be shorter, but not completely shaved.
Okay, so something clean on the sides, but still natural and not too aggressive.
Yes, exactly. I don't want a very sharp or extreme style.
And what about the top? Do you want to keep some length?
Yes, I would like to keep some length on top so I can style it easily.
That's a good choice, because it gives you more flexibility.
I also don't want it to look too flat or too heavy.
I understand we can add some light layers to give it more movement.
That sounds perfect because I want it to look natural.
Do you usually use any product for your hair?
Not really, but I think I should start using something simple.
Yes, A light product can help you keep the shape during the day.
Okay, I will try that after this haircut.
Great, and don't worry, I will guide you during the process.
Thank you, that makes me feel much more relaxed.
Perfect then, we are ready to start.
Let's do it.
So how is your day going so far? Because it looks like you came here at the right time.
Yes, my day has been quite normal, but I think coming here was a very good decision because I really needed this change.
I can already see that your hair is starting to look much cleaner and more structured than before.
That makes me feel better because I was worried that it might not suit me.
Don't worry, I am being careful, and I am following the style we discussed earlier.
Yes, I can see that, and I feel more relaxed now.
Do you usually visit a barber regularly? Or do you wait until it becomes too long?
Honestly, I usually wait too long, and then I come when it becomes a problem.
That is very common. Many people do the same thing.
Yes, I always think I will go next week, but then I forget.
Maybe after this haircut, you will start coming more often.
I think so, because it already feels much better.
Good, because regular haircuts are easier and faster.
That makes sense, because now it took more time to fix everything.
Yes, but it is still manageable.
By the way, how long have you been working as a barber?
I have been doing this for several years, and I really enjoy my work.
That's great, because it looks like you know exactly what you are doing.
Thank you. I try my best to make every client happy.
I appreciate that, because it is important to feel comfortable.
Yes, and communication is the key to a good result.
I agree, because if you don't explain what you want, you might not get the result you expect.
Exactly. That's why I always ask questions before I start.
That really helps.
Okay, we are almost done now. I am just finishing the details.
Great, I am excited to see the final result.
Okay, we are done now. You can take a look at your new haircut in the mirror and tell me what you think about it.
Wow, I can already see a big difference because my hair looks much cleaner and more organized than before.
Yes, we kept the length on top and made the sides shorter as you requested earlier.
I really like how natural it looks because it is not too short and still easy to style.
That was exactly the goal, to give you a simple but fresh look that fits your face.
I feel much more confident now, and honestly, I should have come earlier instead of waiting so long.
That happens to many people, but now you know how much of a difference it can make.
Yes, I can definitely feel it.
Do you want me to show you how to style it quickly at home?
Yes, that would be very helpful because I don't have much experience with styling.
You just need a small amount of product and then you can shape it with your hands.
That sounds easy enough for me.
Yes, it should only take a few minutes in the morning.
Perfect.
All right, if everything looks good, we can go to the front for payment.
Yes, everything looks great. I am very satisfied with the result.
I am glad to hear that.
Thank you for your work. I really appreciate your attention to detail.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course you can pay by card.
Great, that makes it very convenient.
Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, wow, Alex, I can see the difference immediately because your haircut looks much cleaner and more modern now.
Really, I was a little nervous at first, but now I feel much more confident after seeing the result.
Yes, it suits you very well. And it looks natural, not too short and not too heavy.
That's exactly what I wanted because I didn't want anything too extreme.
The barber did a great job because everything looks balanced and neat.
Yes, he was very careful and asked many questions before starting, which really helped me feel comfortable.
That's important because a good haircut always starts with good communication.
I learned that today because explaining what you want makes a big difference.
Exactly, and now you look much more fresh and confident than before.
I can feel that too, and I think I will go to the barber more regularly from now on.
That is a very good idea because it will help you keep this look.
Thank you for telling me to go because I probably would have delayed it again.
Of course, because sometimes you need a little push.
Yes, and this was a good decision.
Definitely. Oh, wow, Alex, I can see the difference immediately because your haircut looks much cleaner and more modern now.
Really, I was a little nervous at first, but now I feel much more confident after seeing the result.
Yes, it suits you very well. And it looks natural, not too short and not too heavy.
That's exactly what I wanted because I didn't want anything too extreme.
The barber did a great job because everything looks balanced and neat.
Yes, he was very careful and asked many questions before starting, which really helped me feel comfortable.
That's important because a good haircut always starts with good communication.
I learned that today because explaining what you want makes a big difference.
Exactly, and now you look much more fresh and confident than before.
I can feel that too, and I think I will go to the barber more regularly from now on.
That is a very good idea because it will help you keep this look.
Thank you for telling me to go because I probably would have delayed it again.
Of course, because sometimes you need a little push.
Yes, and this was a good decision.
Definitely.